Mongoose is an embedded networking library that helps you build a professional web interfaces for your microcontroller devices with very little effort. If your board has one of these bad boys and you still haven't tried Mongoose yet, you might be missing out one of the easiest ways to turn your project into a network connected product. Now, you probably already know about Lightweight IP, which gives your STM32 the networking foundation. It handles the low-level IP stack and lets your board communicate over Ethernet. But Mongoose takes things a step further. It gives you the web server layer along with the built-in features like TLS and firmware update support, all in one package. The hard networking part is already handled for you, so you can spend less time fighting the stack and more time building the actual product. Here, let me show you a simple example. I have my Nucleo 723 board and I'm opening up Mongoose Wizard. As you can see, it asks just a few simple questions. After choosing the right options, I get a blank dashboard. From here, I can adjust settings, add a sidebar, and build the UI very quickly. It is pretty straightforward. I can drag and drop UI elements, and here I created a simple 3-button LED toggle interface. After clicking Generate Code and choosing my destination folder, it creates CubeIDE files for me. Then I open the project in CubeIDE, copy the function from mongoose.c into my main C file, and add the LED toggle functions the same way I did in the web UI. And that is basically it. After typing my board's IP address into the browser, the web page appears, and there it is, working perfectly. It really is that simple. You can try it yourself using the links in the description. I will leave the Mongoose website and YouTube channel there, since they have a lot of useful tutorials. And in the future videos we'll go deeper into Mongoose features. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you there.